How to fix restricted account and documents already submitted issue on LinkedIn. If your LinkedIn account is restricted and you've already submitted your documents without resolution, follow these steps to address the issue. Begin by reviewing LinkedIn's guidelines to ensure your profile complies with their user agreement and professional community policies. Next, attempt to verify your identity again through LinkedIn's verification system. Ensure that the photo on your government-issued ID is clear and matches the information on your LinkedIn profile. If the issue persists, contact LinkedIn support through their help center. Provide a detailed explanation of the problem, including the steps you've already taken, and attach any relevant screenshots. Avoid creating a new LinkedIn account, as this may violate their policies and could lead to further restrictions. Be patient, as account reviews can take several days. Regularly check your email and LinkedIn notifications for updates. That's it. Thanks for watching.